How to find a factor? Is it very difficult? What is a prime number? To know more, let us start the video. But before we begin, I'm Sir Vikas and you are watching Online Vikas. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Factors and multiples, part 1. Factors. What is a factor? 2 into 5 equals to 10. 2 into 5 equals to 10. In here, 2 and 5, these 2 and 5 are called the factors. And this 10 is called its product. Okay? Are we clear with the factors and product? Whenever you are multiplying numbers to get a number that is called product, the numbers that you multiplied are known as factors of that product. Okay, say 3 into 4 equals to 12. In this case, these 3 and 4 are the product of 12. Here you can see I'm dividing this 10 by 2. 2 5s are 10. Similarly, 10 is divided by 5 to get 2. Here we have seen 10 is completely divisible by both 2 and 5. Therefore, we can say that if a number is divisible completely by any other numbers, then the divisors are the factors of that number. In this case, 2 is the factor of 10 because 2 can divide the 10 completely. Similarly, 5 is the factor of 10 because 5 can divide 10 completely. Okay, 12, say 12. In this case, if I try to divide this 12 by 3, I will get 3 4s are 12. It means 3 is a factor of 12. Similarly, if you try to divide it by 4, then also it will be divisible by 4 completely. So 4 is also its factor. By 6 you can divide, 6 is also its factor. By 2 you can divide the 12, 2 is also its factor. Okay? How to find factors of a number? So let us start with a question. List all the factors of 36. Okay? In our mind, we have to think what will multiply to get 36. Okay? In your mind, it may come at the very first that 136 is 36 because 36 can be divided by 1. Okay? So 36 is equal to 1 into 36. After that, can we divide it by 2? Can we divide 36 by 2? 2 18s are 36. It means 2 into 18. Okay? In the same way, by 3 can we divide? Yes. 3 12s are 36. Similarly, so since 3 12s are 36, so 3 into 12. Similarly, 4 9s are 36. Okay, that's why we can write 4 into 9. After 4, what comes? You see, we have done our maths by using first 1, then we use 2, then we use 3, then we use 4. So after that, what we will use 5. But can 5 divide 36? 5 cannot divide 36. So we have to skip that. So after 5, what will come? 6. And 6 can divide it because 6 6 are 36. After 6, what number you will take? 7. But 7 cannot divide 36. So we will go for 8. But 8 cannot divide 36. We will go for 9. 9 4s are 36. But wait, 9 and 4 already we have written. So no need to write it again. Okay, so we will stop here. So in this case, the factors of 36 are these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 6. But why we will write the 6 twice? So no need to write the 6 twice. Then 9, 12, 18, 36. So these all are the factors of 36. In this way you can find factors of any number. Okay, you can find all the factors of any number. Points to remember: every number has at least two factors. Every number has at least two factors, because one can divide any number. So 1 is a factor of all number. Also, the number itself is a factor of that number, because the number itself can divide, you see, 5. 5 can divide 5. You see, 10. 10 can divide 10. 20. 20 can divide 20, because 20 ones are 20. So in that way, the number itself is a factor of the number. Okay, so every number will have at least two factors, one and the number itself. Okay, the second point you must remember: all the factors of a number are less than or equal to the number, but not greater than it. Okay, when we list the factors of 36, you see all the numbers are less than 36 except the 36, because all the factors will be less than or equal to 36. Okay, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36, all are less than or equal to 36, but they are not greater than 36. Okay, so that is what all the factors of a number are less than or equal to the number, but not greater than it. Okay, right? Now we are going to learn a very important topic: what is a prime number. This is very important, and I have seen many students in the upper classes. Okay, so in class 8, 9, 10, they are unable to tell me what is a prime number. They find it very difficult. Okay, but I don't find any difficult in understanding about the prime number. We will understand it very easily. Okay, find the factors of 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Okay, let us try to find all the factors of 2, all the factors of 3, all the factors of 5, all the factors of 7, all the factors of 11. So if we try 2, 1 2s are 2. Okay, other than that you do not have any number that you will multiply to get 2. So factors of 2 is 1 and 2 only. Okay, similarly if we try to find out the factors of 3, 1 3s are 3. Other than that you cannot have any other number that you will multiply to get 3. Okay, only 1 3s are 3. Okay, so factors of 3 is 1 and 3. In the same way 1 5s are 5. So factors of 5 are 1 and 5. In the same way 1 7s are 7. So factors of 7 is, or 7 are 1 and 7. 1 11s are 11. Factors of 11 are 1 and 11. Okay, in this all the number, in case of all this number, you found what? All are having 1 as their common factor. Okay, 1 is the number that is coming in, that is factors of all the number. And 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, these are the number itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 etc. are called prime numbers. This number, okay, this number means what? I am telling you, this 2, okay, this 3, this 5, this 7, this 11 are called prime numbers. We have seen that they have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. That is why they are called prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers they have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. You cannot find any other factor of 11. You cannot find any other factor of 7 except 1 and 7. Okay, if a number has more than 2 factors, then it is not a prime. Okay, prime numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So therefore we can say that a prime number is any natural number which has exactly 2 factors. You listen it very carefully. A prime number is any natural number which has exactly 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Okay, so if you want to know whether a number, say I am giving you a number and whether, say 20, okay, take 20, I am asking you, is 20 a prime number? So your first basic things you need to do in your mind, that whether how many factors does 20 have. If it has more than 2 factors, then it is not a prime. Okay, so let us see. On the other hand, a composite number is any natural number which has more than 2 factors. You listen it very carefully. I am repeating the same thing again. A composite number is any natural number which has more than 2 factors. Example 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, in case of 4, what are the factors? The factors of 4 are 1 is the factor. 1 is a factor of every natural number. Okay, then 2 is a factor because 2 can divide the 4. Okay, 3 cannot divide the 4, and the number itself, that is 4. Okay, 4 is also its factor. So in that way, how many factors we have got of 4? 3 factors we got. That means more than 2 factors. So that's why 4 is a composite number. Okay, so let us see. What about 1? Is it a prime or composite? If you try to find out the factors of 1, you will get only 1. 1 has only one factor, that is 1 itself. There is no other number which can divide 1 except 1. Hence 1 is not a prime number, since it does not have 2 factors. Because in the definition of prime number we got what? A prime number is any natural number which has exactly 2 factors. This is very important line, huh? Which has exactly 2 factors. So since 1 has only one factor, it cannot be prime, because to be a prime number it must have 2 factors. Okay, also 1 is not a composite number, since it does not have more than 2 factors. Okay, 1 has only one factor, it does not have more than 2 factors, so it cannot be a composite number. Because in the definition of composite number, what we got, more than 2 factors. A composite number must have more than 2 factors, but 1 has only one factor, that is 1. So it cannot be a prime, and also it cannot be a composite. Therefore we can say that 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, 1 is neither prime nor composite, na ghar ka na ghat ka. So, and this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please download the PDF of this video from description link. See you again in the next part of this video, and God bless you all.